Cryptocurrency investments have continued to capture the attention of both seasoned investors and newcomers in 2024. As digital assets evolve and integrate more deeply into global financial systems, understanding the landscape becomes crucial. This video aims to provide an in-depth analysis of the current state of cryptocurrency investments, highlighting trends, opportunities, and potential risks. The cryptocurrency market in 2024 has matured significantly from its early days. With a market capitalization exceeding $2 trillion, digital assets have become a critical component of the global financial ecosystem. Major cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, BTC, Ethereum, ETH, and newer entrants like Solana, Sol, and Avalanche AVAX dominate the market, each with unique value propositions and use cases. Regulatory developments. Regulation continues to play a pivotal role in shaping the cryptocurrency market. In 2024, several countries have introduced comprehensive frameworks to govern digital assets. The United States, European Union, and China have led the way, aiming to balance innovation with consumer protection and financial stability. Regulatory clarity has attracted institutional investors, further legitimizing the market. Investment strategies. Long-term holding, or hodling, remains a popular strategy among cryptocurrency investors. This approach involves buying and holding assets for an extended period, typically years, to capitalize on potential appreciation. Bitcoin and Ethereum are favored for this strategy due to their established track records and widespread adoption. Staking and yield farming. Staking and yield farming have gained traction as methods to earn passive income. By locking up cryptocurrencies in a blockchain network, investors can receive rewards in the form of additional tokens. Ethereum 2.0, Solana, and Cardano ADA offer attractive staking opportunities, with annual yields ranging from 4% to 20%. Diversification. Diversifying investments across multiple cryptocurrencies can mitigate risks and maximize returns. A balanced portfolio might include a mix of established coins like BTC and ETH, along with promising altcoins and stablecoins. Diversification helps investors manage volatility and capture growth across different segments of the market. Emerging trends. Decentralized finance (DeFi). DeFi continues to revolutionize traditional finance by providing decentralized lending, borrowing, and trading platforms. In 2024, the total value locked (TVL) in DeFi protocols has surpassed $150 billion. Popular DeFi projects like Aave, Uniswap, and Compound offer innovative financial services, enabling users to earn interest, trade assets, and access credit without intermediaries. Risks and challenges. Volatility. Cryptocurrency markets are notoriously volatile. Prices can swing dramatically within short periods, driven by market sentiment, regulatory news, and macroeconomic factors. Investors must be prepared for significant price fluctuations and avoid overexposure to volatile assets. Regulatory uncertainty. While regulatory clarity has improved, uncertainty remains in some regions. Changes in government policies, tax regulations, and legal frameworks can impact the market. Staying informed about regulatory developments is crucial for investors to navigate potential challenges. Notable cryptocurrencies in 2024. Bitcoin (BTC). Bitcoin, the first and most well-known cryptocurrency, remains the gold standard in digital assets. With a market cap exceeding $800 billion, BTC is seen as a store of value and a hedge against inflation. Institutional adoption and the development of Bitcoin ETFs have bolstered its legitimacy. Ethereum (ETH). Ethereum's transition to Ethereum 2.0, with its proof-of-stake POS consensus mechanism, has positioned it as a leading smart contract platform. ETH is integral to the DeFi ecosystem, hosting thousands of decentralized applications (DApps). Its market cap and developer community make it a crucial asset in any cryptocurrency portfolio. Solana (SOL). Solana has emerged as a high-performance blockchain, offering fast transaction speeds and low fees. Its ecosystem supports DeFi, NFTs, and various DApps, making it a strong competitor to Ethereum. Sol's innovative technology and growing adoption have attracted significant investment. Cryptocurrency investments in 2024 present a blend of opportunities and challenges. The market has matured, with increased institutional adoption, regulatory clarity, and technological advancements driving growth. However, volatility, regulatory uncertainty, and security concerns remain significant risks. Investors must approach the cryptocurrency market with a well-informed strategy, balancing potential rewards with associated risks. By conducting thorough research, diversifying portfolios, and staying updated on market developments, investors can navigate the dynamic landscape of cryptocurrency investments in 2024.